Hi friends, today I am discussing about how to calculate the electrical load of your house. The electrical load of house, total electrical load consumed by the all electrical used in this your house, like the tube lights, fans, ACs, refrigerators, computers, etc. etc. Now to calculate the electrical load of the house, all we have to do this: list all the electrical appliances used to in our home, office, find the electrical consumed by the appliance and finally add them. Now, but first, what do we really need to calculate? Before moving further our calculations, let's understand what are we are actually introduced. We know our electricity in measure in terms of kilowatts. Now kilowatts in the unit of electrical energy. Before moving with our calculation, the main important of these points I have to see here list of the all appliances or items that run electrical supply paper. Next, second, the quantity of each item. Third one is the check every appliance's label for its electrical properties. If the label is damaged, then the search for the on internet and you will get an electrical properties. Now next one is the write the current and voltage of these items. For United States, the voltage is residential homes is 120 volts. Now, whereas the most of the other countries we have used as the 240 voltage. Now, finally, write down the approximation of number of hours. You have to remember this important point. Number of hours used in the appliance in the day. Now going to the next slide. Next point is finally write down the approximation of number of hours you have to use appliance in a day. For example, you have a tube light. How many hours you have to use it per day? That means next one, for each item multiply the amps with the voltage and then number of hours. This is most all important. Multiply the amps and voltage. P equals to V into I. I means amps, V means voltage, and then number of hours into multiplication of hours. This will give you the energy consumed by the appliance in watt hour. Or if you have wattage of the appliance, just multiply the total time watt hour 1000 to get the kilowatt hour. Next one, the multiply the kilowatt hour and appliance by the total quantity of that of application. Had the kilowatt hour value of the appliance. Now this most important point. Now the total value of is multiply a factor of 0.6. This is the maximum demand for the energy consumed. Next, the final value will give the total electrical energy consumed by your house in a single day. Now note, you don't have any worry about the voltage of the item. In US it is 120 volts and it in India and most of the other countries it's have 240 voltage for domestic purpose. Now next slide is consider an average home with the following electrical appliance. Now we have to consider 20 watts tube light. The quantity I have to choose 5 quantities for my home. Then the 20 watts tube light wattage is 20 watts. Now it is running in 8 hours for day. 24 hours I am using 8 hours. Now we will get kilowatt per hour. How can it will become 20 into 8 equal to 160 kilowatt hour. Same as thing as that in home 10 watts bulb we are using, and also we are having ceiling fan, we are having a exhaust fan, TV, PC, washing machine, refrigerator, and 1.5 ton AC, mixture, grinder or juicer. Total these quantities multiplied with wattage into hours, we will get kilowatt hour. Now the total load will be how much. This is kilowatt hour. Total how much will get? 5506 watt hour. We have to into multiplication of 0.6. This is the maximum demand. We will get 3303.6 watt hour. We have to convert kilowatt hour energy is 3.3. Next, so in the above example, the total energy is consumed by the house is 3.3 kilowatt hour or 3.3 units. In these above example is approximation calculation. You have to calculate your own home. Thank you, friends.